I graduated with degrees in psychology and recreational therapy. Started to look for a job in the field and I was like, I don't like this. I don't think I want to do this. Oh no. Then COVID hit and I started a vintage reselling business. And I did that for 4 years and I loved it, and it got me into the world of design, and I wanted to do more. Looked up online accredited interior design programs, and luckily there was one right downtown Grand Rapids, so I was like, that's perfect for me. I came and interviewed and loved it right away. It was the perfect opportunity for me to go back to school but not have to change up everything about my life. As soon as I started, I was like, thank God I came and am in a program and learning all of this, because there's a lot to learn, and I think this program does a really good job of introducing you slowly so as not to overwhelm you.
Our interior design program is all studio classes, so the student can come here without any prior knowledge and really learn everything they need to learn to be an entry-level person in the interior design field. So we teach analog skills, we do a lot of hand drafting, working with scales, learning space planning, and then we move into technology and learn all the basic digital tools as well.
The interior design program offers a lot of opportunities to get outside of the school and explore what the interior design field looks like in the city of Grand Rapids. So we do a lot of field trips, excursions, we check out local offices, headquarters.
Grand Rapids is a very unique location, and you wouldn't necessarily think the center of the Midwest is design-centric, but we happen to have the 3 largest office furniture manufacturers in the world, Haworth, Steelcase, and Miller Knoll, all right in West Michigan. As a faculty, we all have strong ties to those industries, and our students have internships there, work there after graduation, and people who work in those companies are leaders of design in the world. So there's a richness here that's maybe unexpected if you don't know West Michigan, but the design history is really strong on this side of the state.
When I started at Kendall, I was a little lost in looking for what made me excited in life, and I think I've found it. I think it's hard to find your place in this world, and I think if you find something that makes you excited and then you find the courage to go after it, and now I'm almost done, I'm like doing it and I'm gonna be able to pursue all the things that I dreamed about. I don't feel like I'm just left to figure it out all on my own. I felt like I'm going to be taken care of here, and when I'm done, I'm going to have the skills that I need to succeed in this field.